Alright guys, let's talk about this trend trading indicator on what appears to be yet another wild market session, okay? For those of you that are debating or analyzing a trend trading style or a trend trading strategy, okay, I can almost guarantee you that by the time you're done watching this video on the best trend trading indicator on the planet, you're going to be convinced. All right, so what you're seeing on the screen right now is today's wild session on the S&P 500. If you trade Forex, your symbol is SPX 500. If you trade futures, your symbol is ES. And of course, if you trade stocks and options, your symbol is SPY, aka the SPY. And what you're seeing overlaid onto the chart, okay, is a very simple trend trading volume-based indicator. That's all it is, okay? It's designed to analyze volume and capture the bid-ask technical profile that is printing behind the scenes. All right, there's a lot of algorithms that I've worked on to make this trend trading indicator absolutely gorgeous for you guys to look at on the screen, right? I mean, just really take a deep breath and look at how the charts look like today on this trend trading indicator, okay? And then what I want you to do is contrast it with this candlestick BS chart that you're probably using on a day-to-day basis to try to identify the trend, or all these, nonsense Bollinger Band indicators, stochastic. It's just, I don't know. I still don't know why a majority of you guys are intentionally driving yourselves mad looking at these BS indicators, right? Because if we go back to the volume indicator and the volume-based charts, I think it's a night and day difference. Look, you have a starting point every day when you come to your computer and decide to trade and look for opportunities, right? You have to understand that this is a game of risk management, and most beginner traders lose. Why? In my opinion, it's because I think they are goofing off on these candlesticks and nonsense indicators. Whereas professional traders understand and recognize that if you're going to use any type of trend trading indicator, right, whether you're using my volume indicator or you're using millions of other indicators out there, I think the difference between professional trading and retail trading is that professional traders understand this is nothing more than putting together a simple strategy every day, right? Markets are going to go up, right? This is the S&P again from today, and this is why I call it a wild session. I haven't seen anything like that on the S&P 500 in a long time. Look at this. Where it turns green, right? The volume trend trading indicator turns green. You get some really nice opportunities, either trading momentum or trading the pullback. Remember, I always talk to you guys about trading the pullback, and this is what a pullback looks like, right? Where the market goes up and then pulls back before taking off. You understand? And this also feeds into my theory of trading the morning session. There's a lot of opportunities. Now, there is no doubt, folks, for those of you guys that love trading the afternoon session, man, on the S&P 500, even on the NASDAQ, right? Here's the NASDAQ. Volume turned red right at lunchtime, and the NAS just plunged. Something like 1,000 ticks or pips if you're following along in Forex. Folks, just think about that for a second, all right? 1,000 ticks or 1,000 pips. It's hard to fathom. I'm with you. But this is the truth behind a trend trading system and a trend trading style. Whether you're trading the NAS 100 or if you're trading the S&P, you have to understand that you're going to make probably 90% of your income on trend days like we had today, and you're going to give some of it back on chop days like we had earlier in the week, okay? But look, folks, at the end of the day, I know you know this, there is no force on earth that's going to stop a trend. When the volume indicator turns green, that's a very good statistically significant clue or signal that the market may potentially start to trend higher, as it did today. And this was a hard uptrend, folks, all right? This was a significant move on the S&P 500. And, folks, when the volume indicator turns red, what it's designed to do is alert you and tell you, aka indicate to you, that a downtrend has now potentially started, and you should now consider looking for potential short opportunities. Make sense? So look, folks, the one takeaway that I want you to glean from watching this video on either the best trend trading indicator or the most impressive, in my opinion, trend trading system or style is that number one, you ain't gonna stop a trend. All right? You just cannot stop a trend. There were so many people trying to short it on the way up when it was so clearly and obviously green, and there were so many idiots and numbskulls out there that were trying to buy this market when it was so obviously indicating a sell setup, right? So look, guys, we're 3 weeks into the year, all right? If you are still sitting around wondering what happened, getting your head chopped off on a daily basis in the market, I'm willing to bet that there's a good chance you are not trend trading, or maybe you don't know anything about trend trading. And what I want you to do, if you think that you want to try to capture this type of potential, I mean, folks, this was legit. Over 1,000 ticks/pips today. I don't want you to think this is going to happen every single day. But on heavy trend days like we're having this week, like we had last week, I honestly don't think this is too much of a stretch. I mean, I think this is going to be the norm for this year, folks. All right, where the market's going to be moving up and down, thousands of ticks and thousands of pips every day. And so, look, guys, if you want to change your bad habits or you want to learn a new skill, educate yourself and learn about the power of trend trading. It's so simple. It's so clean. Again, here's a trend trading chart and here's a candlestick BS chart. You tell me, does this one look better or does this one look better? Okay. That'll do it for today's video recap, guys. Again, congratulations to every single one of you guys who were using the vault today. I got a bunch of text messages and emails. Congrats to all you guys who killed it today on both the beautiful long and a textbook, absolutely textbook short trade from today. And look, man, I'm convinced that every single week, okay, I think is going to be like this. I just think that the market sentiment has changed. Volatility is creeping back into the market. How else can you explain a day like this, right? Huge uptrend in the morning and huge downtrend in the afternoon, okay? And all we did was follow the colors. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.